Hello there. What's in the box when I order a lightsaber? This is the answer. This is the box you get. Wait. Or maybe this is the box you get. Well, most lightsabers will be in these beautiful, amazing The Saber Factory boxes. But some sabers, character sabers, will have a freebie box, which is this one. Great flight case, coated, super strong, with a handle, that's practical, and that can fit up to 3 lightsabers of a standard format and 3 blades. And this only comes with some of our character sabers. You want to know if you have the normal box or the big box with the freebies like the saber stand, the blade plug. Well, on our website, on each products page, you have a What's in the Box tab. Check it out. That's where you have the answer. The free box, the free stand, and the free blade plugs, they are freebies, meaning they're not the priority, and sometimes not even 1% of orders at peak periods like Black Friday, May the 4th, or Christmas. Sometimes we may run out of them or may run out of any freebie. And so the priority is to ship out the sabers. So sometimes you don't have it. But to be fair, 99.5% of orders I've got these when it's in the What's in the Box. If it says it's there, there's a good chance you'll have it. In your box, there is your lightsaber, of course. It's filled with soft foam, so it's well protected. So no worries. Some lightsabers have an added layer of protection, mostly when they're electroplated like this Anakin one. But yeah, and the blades also, they're wrapped for additional protection. So overall, there's always enough protection in it. You don't have to worry, but if there is any problem, you go on the support chat, thesaberfactory.com, you talk to me and we'll get you sorted, always. When you get your saber, if you have the freebies like the blade plug and the free saber stand, here it's wrapped, then you have those freebies, but all lightsabers will always have the user manual, very important, always read it, always read the safety instructions, mostly concerning the charging, very important, and those bags with screws, shims, X key, things that you will need mostly in case you lose a screw, in case, well, you need to realign a part with a shim. You know, standard accessories in case you need it, but mostly you need the screw to tighten your blade in the hilt, and I'll show you that. Hex key, that's the tool you're going to work with, but you don't have much to do, to be fair, except plug in your sabers, charging it for 4 hours, because sabers don't come charged, sometimes with a half charge, sometimes with a low charge, but most times you have to charge them for a few hours. So take your sabers and start charging it. Let's do it. So start by charging your saber. Basically, you have 2 types of sabers. One that have in-hilt charging and one that have on-core charging. In-hilt charging, like with this one, simple. You just plug it in and you're done. But a lot of sabers, for design reasons or screen accuracy, will have on-core charging, so you need to open up the saber. And on 90% of those sabers, it's always at the pommel. So simply unscrew the pommel. You'll either see the core and the charging port, or it will slide out. A couple sabers are a bit more complicated, but to be fair, a very small number of them. Here I have my charging port, USB cable. So it's in your box. Simply plug it in and plug this USB-A end on a 5-volt maximum plug. Do not go over 5 volts. The board needs low voltage. So now that it's charged, in your bag of accessories, you have little screws like this one. Put it in the emitter where you have holes, and make sure it's not fully screwed because you need to insert your blade. If it's a NeoPixel blade, you have to make sure that the blade makes great contact. And now simply just, push. Screw it in, but don't pierce through. You don't need to. Simply make sure that it's tight, and that's it. And now, it's time to play. Light it up. It's got smooth swing. It's got flash on clash. And even better, it's got tip drag, melt effects, and of course it's filled with blade mode and effects. And this will depend if you have a baselit or if you have a NeoPixel. NeoPixel of course have more blade effects, but you can see for yourself. I can change fonts, motion controls. This is just a steady effect. Count Dooku. Codex of Light. So yeah, now you have 34 sound fonts to browse through, and more if you want to add more. If you have a Profi, 40 sound fonts as of summer of 2023, where we're now. This is what we load our sabers with. And of course, Profi, you can add more sound fonts and you can customize everything as long as you're willing to get your hands, or like I like to say, get your keyboard dirty and code your thing, because that's what you do with a Profi. But a Xeno 3, baselit or NeoPixel, is turnkey. It is plug and play. So yeah, what you get in the box, most important is the lightsaber, of course. And if you order a lightsaber that's eligible for the flight case, any other lightsaber that you order will be fitted in it, if it fits. So that's what you get when you order a lightsaber from the saberfactory.com. But what matters most is the lightsaber you get. There you go. I hope you're happy with your delivery. If you have any issue, any question, anything on your mind, you go on the saberfactory.com, you go on the support chat, you talk to me, and I'll answer all your questions. I'll alleviate all your doubts, and you will have an amazing experience, and I'll make sure of it. Thank you for watching. May the Force be with you.